morning to the media. Also, a great welcome to the media from the Middle East who have taken the trouble all the way coming here. I really appreciate that. And also I welcome all the three artists, Shefali, Jariwala, then Payal and Zoya. Well, we started this concept of country clubbing way back, 25 years back. At that particular point of time, when we started this club, on those lines, a lot of people said it is not possible for the country club to get the crowd, not possible for people to really come and participate. But then the very first year itself, there were almost more than 10,000 people coming, and it was not only Gujaratis, it was also non-Gujaratis, and from there it became a huge hit in Hyderabad. Brand country was growing, it was usually covered in the media. Media played a very big role in shaping up the brand country club because they used to find that basically we are almost, like a community in the sense that we used to involve members as the stars. For us, the prime importance were the members and their families. It is today the largest family club in the world. We are having roughly about 3 million people spread over 10 different countries, and then especially in the Middle East, we are there in almost all the 6 places, in Dubai, in Muscat, in Abu Dhabi, in Bahrain, in Saudi, in Kuwait. So, my dear friends, in Asia, we are there in Bangkok, we are there in Malaysia, we are there in Singapore. So, slowly and steadily, the country club, brand country club is growing in a huge manner. We took all these special festivals as one of our concepts, and then it was really remarkable. It was the first biggest family club chain in the world. And today, almost all the top banks in India, whether it is State Bank of India or whether it is Citibank or whether it is HSBC or HSDF, all these people have seen the future in this particular concept, and all these people are supporting the brand country club for memberships. So, my dear friends, we look forward for this particular year's show, and I'm sure, I think, like all other shows, previous shows in India and the Middle East, this year is going to be much more bigger and much more larger and much more exciting. Thank you.